Hi everybody and welcome to Beachwalks with Rocks. Today is show number 108 and we're hitting the road. Say goodbye to those palm trees in the distance. What's our date? 8? What result will I get from that? And I think the result is that, most people realize is that when we let the kids have their way all the time, they don't have enough information to make appropriate decisions for themselves. And they tend to view life through this lens of everything is now or never. If I can't have that candy bar right now, I'll be unhappy forever. But as the grown-ups, we know that as soon as you get home from the store where you're surrounded by candy bars at the checkout stand and start playing with your bike or your Game Boy, you're going to be perfectly happy again. And I think that's the task of parenting, is to really help the child understand the fleeting nature of the present moment and the fleeting nature of happiness and misery. And then also to be aware of connecting the dots, And when I think about that in business, I'm thinking today about that story of Nordstrom's, from way long ago, that they allowed someone to return a tire to a Nordstrom store, even though they don't sell tires. And for so many years, this was lauded as fantastic customer service. And I think it just breeds a really low common denominator of a customer. It appeals to that number 2 childishness in a customer that is very self-righteous, that says, you're the company, you owe me anything and everything. And of course I'm surrounded by that, by the travel experience, because traveling has become such a miserable experience. We're all crammed in here like sardines. The flight attendants and the pilots have had to make huge wage concessions. The money these days is going to Saudi Arabia to buy gas and oil. Nobody's really having any fun. Nobody's making very much money. And we're all captive audiences here in this little pill flying in the sky. And I don't know exactly who's to blame. I think if there is blame to be discussed, I don't like getting into that discussion too much, but I think we all are responsible for the roles that we play. It's very difficult to be a customer and have a one-to-one relationship with a company when the company sees us as aggregate numbers. So when people are interviewed, they often say, sure, I'd pay $10 or $15 more for this safety item on a car or to have more legroom in a plane seat. But when, as a group, we go to buying a car, we look for the lowest price, and we tend to tune out at that point all of the subtleties, or many of the subtleties, that might give one company an advantage over another company. So certainly with websites, this is true. That's what we do with our company, Studios. We build websites for businesses, and websites have become commodities. You $175 a month. And people don't always understand, why a website would cost $10 or $20 or $50 or $100,000. And we tire at times of explaining why, but it's just like cars, it's just like houses. You get a $10,000 car, you get a $100,000 car. It just depends on what features you want in it. So, with the kids screaming in the background and the knees bumping up against the seats, I'm going to stay in my own little world here in my own little seat and realize that part of my consciousness for today is that I'm not responsible for anyone or anyone else except for myself. Boy, am I glad for that today. If you'd like to Skype us, you can Skype at Roxanne Darling. If you'd like to call, it's 949-544-1456, and we're on our way to San Francisco. We'll see you soon. Aloha.
Flight attendants prepare for landing, please.
Welcome to San Francisco. I am happily ensconced in our hotel room with great views. We got upgraded at the Marriott. And what I was really trying to say earlier today was that my opinion is that consciousness, or being a grown-up, is in part about learning how to understand how limits and boundaries work, and that we can actually be quite happy living with limits and boundaries. This is the challenge for being a parent, and I think it's also a challenge in terms of business. So many businesses are set up to really play on people's fears and other emotions, and really to appeal to their number two. I'm really interested in doing business with people who are interested in consciousness and being grown-ups at all parts of the transaction. So anyway, you can see I'm tired. I'm going to take a bath and pretend it's the ocean, and I'll see you tomorrow. Aloha!